Hey guys, today we're gonna do a box unboxing of a box. So I guess Boxception, if you will. Are you ready? Let's get started. Hey Beauty Pros, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something extra special as we unbox this box filled with a box in this special Boxception edition of our videos. Let's get this bad boy open. So this should be a box sample of what the BeautyPro Box hopefully will look like. So I hope that is everything that I dreamed of. How are you guys doing? Open. Okay, so the box is open. Now we take out the box. Da 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 da! Yay! It is. I love it. I love it. Okay, let's put this sucker together. I love it. Ta-da! Okay, I see I need to move that over a little bit. But other than that, I love it. Do you love it? Let me know in the comments what you think. Ta-da! It's even better than I imagined. Okay, so just a little bit of a tweak here, but other than that, I am loving it. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think. And question of the day: have you ever subscribed to any sort of subscription box before? Yes or no? If so, tell me what kind, because I love subscription boxes. Please tell me in the comments. What kind of subscription box? Yes or no? Why or why not? I think they're pretty cool, but I'm a little biased. Thank you guys so much for joining me in my excitement as I unboxed this new sample box in this special Boxception edition of BeautyPro Media. If you enjoyed it, which I hope you did, please feel free to comment, like, and share. And if you're new here, please feel free to subscribe because I would love that. And until next time, I will see you guys real soon. Bye!